Hello YouTube. Uh, this is Saturday, September 28th, and I have a kind of weird video for you, not my usual electronics. I'm in the process of upgrading from no-name brand random chair that is completely uncomfortable. The foam is so flat that I end up sitting on like the wire frame support, which is why I have like layers on there. So I got a used Steelcase Leap V2, and it was cheap because it has stains. It was missing, or it had two left arms, and the backrest was detached, and the guy couldn't get it back on. Anyway, this video is about reattaching the back pad, because BTOD TV has a how-to video for this, and they go over the basic mechanics, and it's not good enough if you don't have a second person. So, if you have a Leap V2 and that J channel that's under here, hold on. I apologize for this. I have this, but given where I need to show you stuff, it's not really working well. Okay. So this is the J channel. And in order to be in place, it's under a fair bit of elastic tension from this right here, especially in the center. And if you don't have someone else to help you, it is an absolute pain in the ass to attach. So without tools, I found I just couldn't do it. With tools, it was enough to work. What you need is a couple clamps, something that won't mar it, and a spudger. I really did end up needing this. Get one that isn't sharp, so not necessarily for peeling, but thin enough to get in places. Guitar pick works fine. Take that backrest, or if you have this option, that's the lower lumbar support, put it all the way up, and just on each side. Clamp that down, because otherwise the tension on this wants to pull everything out, and you're fighting against that. So clamp on that side, clamp on that side. Then you can fit one little corner in, and you kind of have to push in while rolling like this. Because at first, that J channel that wants to fit like here, it's like facing down, and you have to turn it against tension like 180 degrees, or like rotate it like this. So get an edge fit in, and then just with pressure, rotate, pressure, rotate. And you can kind of walk your way across. When I got about to here, I couldn't get further because this was sprung off the side. So I had to hold that. And when I used the spudger to press in and get it in as far as I could, that would hold. Then I did the same thing on the other side, walking this way. And once about a third of each side was in, then I was able to get the center. You're not done yet. If you don't do the same pressure rolling upward or rolling this way motion, like a couple of times hard, it might not be fully seated, and then the whole thing will pop out, and it's an exercise in absolute frustration. So repeat that a few times until you don't feel anything pop back into place. Take your guitar pick or just spudger that isn't so thin it's likely to cut anything, and push in at every one of these little points to fully seat everything in as far as possible. Then you're good. Again, that's for the Steelcase Leap V2. reattaching the back support. Oh, and as for the rest of how to attach it, the other part of it is easy. There's like built-in clips that just face upward. So to detach it, you just kind of grab the sides and pop it upwards, and it just unclips. Same thing reverse. The first step, at least for me, my way of doing it, was putting it on those clips, and you just push it down. It doesn't need a lot of force. You can go like that a little bit, and it's on. And then you have to get that J channel, which absolute pain. But yeah, you're gonna make your life a lot easier if you use clamps and a spudger that isn't so thin it's gonna cut, or a guitar pick. Have a good day.